Good evening and welcome to this video tutorial of MCX SureGain. My name is Parveen Rana and today in this video tutorial we are going to show one interesting indicator for stock and commodity market. Actually we all know that because it is very common indicator. The indicator name is Super Trend. But we are not going to discuss about the ordinary version of Super Trend. It is the Super Trend scanner cum dashboard. In this Super Trend Scanner Cup dashboard, you can scan more than 200 symbols simultaneously. And there is no need to open all charts on the chart window. If you use the normal Super Trend, it gives us headache because we need to open all charts one by one and then we need to shift the charts frequently to check whether there is a signal or not, or there is an opportunity for trade or not. Super Trend Scanner gives you a big relief from this problem. So let's start understanding about the Super Trend Scanner strategy, features and learn how we can use the software for daily use. Super Trend indicator is most common indicator among the traders, but while using in MT4 and while using in 15-minute time frame, sometime it will become difficult to find a best intraday entry and exit levels in one or two symbols. That is the reason we have created a scanner for you, which does not only scan the symbols but also it can show you the current signals to this chart window as a dashboard. So now let's move further and let's see how we can use the Super Trend indicator and Super Trend scanner in this. As you can see in front of your screen that I have added 20 symbols in the market watch window and it is showing all 20 symbols trend and the piece of information on the screen itself. If we want to see the charts of particular symbols, simply we need to click on the particular symbol. Like suppose that if I want to see the chart of the USD INR, or if I want to see the chart of Axis Bank, just I need to click on that. So now I have clicked on that and then you can see that it is showing me the particular chart of the Axis Bank and it is showing the signal buy came at 674, stop loss is 661 and target is 6888.70 something. So now I'm coming to the dashboard. Here in the dashboard also you can see that it has given buy signal, current market price is 84.60. Now market has closed because I'm making video in the evening. So at the time market has closed, the rate was 684.60. The stop loss was 661.64 and the target was 688.70. Then it is the current profit is 10 rupee and 30 paise. Now it has not reached till the target, so that is the reason it is showing no result now. Now if I want to go back to the dashboard again, just simply I need to click on that button. Once you click on the button, you will get all symbols, and also whenever the new signal will come, you will get an alert like that. How you can use the Super Trend scanner, and now I'll let you know how we can do the settings and all. So first of all what I need to do is I'm going to remove this indicator. Now this is the chart window where you can see that I have added 20 symbols, lump sum 20 symbols are there. I need to open any chart and then what I need to do is I need to apply the indicator. So this is the dashboard scanner indicator which I am going to apply. Now I am going to the inputs. Here in the inputs you can see that column option is there. In that you can choose any number of columns, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Whatever the column number you will select at the like you will see the particular columns in the chart screen. This is the parameters, Super Trend parameter 10:4. You can modify the parameters as according to you. If you want to modify it, you can modify from this screen and then you have to click on OK. Once you click on OK, it will show you this kind of dashboard. So this is the dashboard, and whenever the signal comes, you will automatically get the alerts and you will automatically get the signal, and once you want to see the signal you just can click on particular symbol and then it will be able to show you the particular trend and the particular arrows and all that you can see here. The signal is there, arrows are there, and the green candles is showing that buying trend is there and red candles are showing this is there. So guys, this is the Super Trend scanner. If you want to take the scanner and if you want to take a demo of it, you simply can visit our website www.mcxsuregain.com, or you can call us at 9350 222 220. So guys, let's meet in the next video tutorial. Till then, bye bye, take care and happy trading.